How to use Google Maps for direction. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find direction from point A to point B. First of all, open Google Maps. Now, here on the right corner, you can see this direction option. Tap on direction. So this interface will pop up. Here, you can choose a starting point and a ending point. So just tap on the one and choose a starting point. Here I have selected one, and here on the bottom select the destination. So select another location. So as you can see, the distance has been shown and the direction has been shown too. Now you can simply tap on preview and it will show you how you can go to that certain point. So while walking or while traveling from a vehicle, it shows the exact distance and exact ways. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.